Hey guys, so Metallic Sound as DPS is here. Yeah, I mean as in it's here right now. In Monster Hunter 2 you could possibly recruit a DPS Minstrel if they have the gear. And Minstrel Tank isn't dead by the way, since DPS Minstrel does require quite a bit of gear currently. Mainly the plus 10 wing headphone and at least a plus 11 black circle just to make it viable. But yeah, DPS Minstrel is a thing now. So let's start with Monster Hunter. Let's say you want to make a DPS Minstrel for Monster Hunter. What kind of gear do you need? Well, you need at least a plus 10 wing headphone, at least a plus 11 black circle, and these two items combined will reduce Metallic Sound cooldown by 4 seconds, which is enough to make it spammable at max level, which is what you want to be able to do DPS. And yes, we are using Metallic Sound here by the way for the main DPS skill, but you also want the Illusion Armor B with Magic ACD. Ideally you can get a Vicious Mind Aura with a refined Fallen Warrior Mantu, but if you can't afford that then just get an Illusion Ring B with the fast, whatever you feel like. For the footgear slot, just go with an Illusion Leg B with the Spellbuster, Fixed Cast Time and SP module. That one will be very important since you need a lot of SP to spam this. For the shield slot, Curse Knight Shield. The attack speed is really important and having a shield is just good. And for the accessories, the most important thing for damage behind the headphones and the black circle is having 2 sound amplifiers with the 3 card combo. Now you can get dry cards if you want more damage, but they're really expensive and I don't really recommend it unless you're going all in on Metallic Sound here. So honestly you don't really need much more than that, like that's it. Definitely get 120 int, 120 vit, 120 agi. Really just looking to get attack speed and damage and health. That's really all you need is attack speed, damage and health. It probably won't beat a dedicated DPS without really good gears, but it's pretty good for what it is. The one thing I will say that you need though is dash juice. Definitely bring dash juice since Metallic Sound uses a lot of SP when you cast it, especially when you spam it. And dash juice quadruples your SP regen inside of Monster Hunter 2, so it makes it at least a little bit more bearable. So as a DPS, also if you get charmed, something that I recommend saying is just say charmed in chat. You can use Alt plus M to bind it to a certain Alt plus number key. But something that some people do is they say help instead, but help isn't really helpful ironically. What do you need help with? Have you run out of ammo? Do you need dash juice? Do you need a massage? Do you need someone to calm you down? What do you need help with? I don't know. Charm, it gets straight to the point, everyone knows what's going on and they're ready to help you. So if you get charmed, say charmed instead of help. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say really. So thank you for watching everyone, have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Peace. Bye.